everyone, this is Rupa from Learn Digital, and in the video as part of my the internship program from Digital Deepak, and the Influencer is a program released in my channel, and this program helps you to meet so many influencers across India, and I think this program will help you a lot of students and job seekers who want to achieve their career in digital marketing. And here we go with our special guest today. Today we have a special guest from India's most digital marketing blogger, even India's best digital marketing blogger award in 2018. And he is a SEO and content marketer expert, and he is a YouTuber, digital marketing trainer also. And the main thing I invited him here is he's one of the best students of Deepak Kankaraju sir and our mentor. So without waiting, let us meet Mr. Bhairappa John sir. Sorry sir.
Yes.
Hello sir, how are you?
Yeah, I am fine, Rupa. Thank you for inviting me to this interview. And thank you so much for recognizing me as one of the influencers in digital marketing industry. And yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, can we know a lot about you? Can you brief about yourself?
Sure. Myself, my name is Bhairappa John. I branded myself as a digital John on internet because many people struggle to pronounce and spell Bhairappa name. So that I simplified their searching. So as a digital John, and that I created just for my personal branding purpose. And I finished my MBA from Vanguard Business School. And since then, I have been learning digital marketing, and I have been practicing as well. From 2016, I am learning digital marketing, and I am also the professional video editor, and I am also the professional hardware engineer. I worked as a hardware engineer while pursuing my graduation actually. So I have exposure in more in the technical field actually.
Okay.
So those are things I as a hobbies. I am a singer as well. I sing songs, but don't ask me to sing here in this interview. But I'm a singer as well, and I do have many special talents. God gifted me. Okay, and I do blogging as well. You all know as well. I do blogging in English and Telugu language on digital marketing topic, and YouTubing I do only in Telugu specifically. Maybe very soon I may start in English as well, because many people are asking me to do tutorials in English language as well.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. And who influenced you in digital marketing to take your career with you?
Okay, this is on 2016 July 5th. On that day, that was my college first day in Bangalore. It's Vanguard Business School, and on the day afternoon session, Dheeraj Pulavarthi, he took a session on digital basics, and he introduced us. He introduced us about the digital marketing on that day, and on the very day, on that first day itself, I decided that this is my cup of tea. Let me take this. Let me take this digital marketing as a career option, and from the day one itself, I have been learning digital marketing, and he's my mentor in digital marketing actually, in learning. And whenever I face any issue in digital marketing and learning aspects, again he guides me, he mentors me, and his name is Dheeraj Pulavarthi. Yeah, he's also the alumni of Vanguard Business School.
Oh, is it? Oh, nice. Okay. How did you come to meet Deepak Kankaraju?
Yeah, yes. As I said, in 2016, I decided that I want to learn digital marketing, and at that time, I was approaching many digital marketing institutes, but their fees was very high. Actually, at that time, I can't afford their digital marketing fees, and I was searching for affordable online courses at that time. And in my class, my friend Sayan Mukherjee. His name is Sayan Mukherjee. He introduced me, John. One guy is teaching digital marketing for free. Why don't you subscribe to his course? And that is the time when I approached the Digital Deepak free digital marketing course. In the free digital marketing course itself, I started my blog, and I started my blog itself in the free course itself. I started.
Yes.
That is where I my actual learning started from the Deepak's free course, and eventually I purchased these paid courses, and I proceeded with those
Okay.
learnings as well. I'm an action
Okay.
taker, action taking marketer. That is what Deepak
Okay.
also tells. You have to learn digital marketing by practicing,
Okay.
and the best way to learn blogging is best way to learn digital marketing is blogging. That is where
Okay.
I have been practicing since 2016. Even today, I face many challenges in blogging, but I am consistently I'm blogging.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Nice to hear all this. Okay.
Yes.
What is your website about and how are you helping students?
Okay. See, my blog, when I started my blog, my purpose behind that blog was to learn
Mm,
digital marketing, to practice digital marketing. Let me give you an example. For
mm,
example, if any new SEO plugin came, like now RankMath is trending SEO plugin. So
mm,
if I want to test that RankMath plugin, so what are the options in that plugin and those kind of things. So if I have my own blog, I can go and I can uninstall existing plugins and I can install and I can check actually. I can. So that was my purpose behind my blogging for my practicing.
mm,
That is my practice ground.
mm,
And so now I am focusing. So that helped me to build personal branding also. And so
mm,
I was recognized as the one of the top digital marketing bloggers in India in 2018 by FeedSpot. So my blog is for my practicing purpose.
okay.
Okay.
Okay. And
So helping students, I help
mm,
students as well
mm,
through YouTube channel actually. So my core focus, I'm focusing on Telugu market. So
okay.
Telugu digital marketing niche. I have my own blog also in Telugu. It's a
Okay.
digital buddy blog.
Okay.
You can visit that blog, and you can visit my Digital Yarn YouTube channel as well. I already
Okay.
posted 70 plus blog posts in Telugu language written
Nice.
and written by me itself, and I also published 260 plus digital marketing video tutorials in Telugu language. And every Friday I go live to my subscribers, and I take their questions and I answer them there.
Yes, sir.
And I'm also available for them on WhatsApp, Facebook group, and I'm helping them in resume preparation, interview preparation. If any job opportunities are there, I'm letting them, I'm informing them, why don't you. So like that, I helped many students and even working professionals as well.
Yes, sir. Nice, nice. Okay. So can you tell, is it personal branding is necessary as a digital marketer?
Yes, I highly recommend to have personal branding uh,
Mm,
because there are many reasons. Because it helps so much actually. It helps
mm,
in many aspects.
mm,
Let me share my experience also. Uh, if you take any
okay.
digital marketing book written by any author, I
Okay.
read few books, but what I observed in the almost all the books,
Mm,
I can see one separate chapter dedicated to blog, which means indirectly it is talking about the personal branding only. And you take any course, you take Coursera courses, or you take any books related to digital
mm,
marketing, they recommend
mm.
actually. And it is also it also helps you to uh,
Hello.
or they disagree, but I
Mm,
for my belief is that they should have a separate blog for but it helps them, it helps in them in career or in business or in guest
okay.
posting opportunities or in event summits, speaking opportunities also you will get.
Mm,
You will become that authority person in that industry, and if you become an authority
mm,
in that industry, you can monetize your skill easily. See, I
okay.
am a beginner. I started my career just 2 years ago. So I'm progressing in a very good way actually. So
Mm,
that helps
mm,
you. See, I also
mm,
got a few speaking opportunities in digital marketing communities, and last year also
mm,
I gave talk on content marketing in Hyderabad Digital Marketing Summit. It's
okay.
the flagship event of IDAN SEO
Mm,
community in Hyderabad. So that,
mm,
see how you get opportunities actually. So that if you have personal branding, easily you will get
Absolutely.
opportunities.
Okay.
Even if you want somebody's help also, they are ready to help you, because they also need those relations in the industry. At that
Yeah.
time they are easily, they are available for you if they want.
Yeah.
You need their help as well.
Yeah.
And
Absolutely.
recently Saurabh Jain also wrote a book on personal branding. It's a
Mm.
become a brand book, and I also highly recommend that book for
Mm.
beginners, those who don't have personal branding and they want to build their personal branding. So
Okay.
he wrote a very good book on personal branding. I read that book completely, and so I highly recommend that book.
Okay. Nice, nice to hear. And how are you managing your time? Like as a digital marketer, you'll be having so many projects to handle. And how are you managing your time?
Yeah, it's very difficult actually, because
Yeah.
we will be having many operational works actually.
Yeah.
Let me take with okay, forget about the projects. If I talk about the blog itself, if you
Um,
write one article, you have to design a featured image for it, and you have to
mm,
share it in all the social media accounts. Not just okay, so and tracking the Google Analytics or coming up with the new blog post ideas, and
mm,
sending blog post to the all your email list, and so many things you will be having if you are a blogger. Actually, if you are a serious blogger, you will be having many works
mm,
thing. So time management is very important, and I used the few tips from the Digital Deepak itself. He gave few tips to uh, uh, increase your productivity and efficiency, and those tips, let me share few of those tips. When I'm
mm,
working on the when I'm writing blog post or any when I'm doing my digital marketing work, and my
okay.
phone will be on flight mode, and
Mm,
so I will be using I will be listening to the focus music means any music
yeah.
without lyrics. So
Okay.
so I use those music and while doing, and those things I do. And I will
Mm,
write, if I am writing, I write from the deck itself. I don't sit on my bed and I write articles, because you may feel
yeah.
lethargic and you may sleep also on
Yeah.
bed.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
sit on the chair and put your laptop on the deck and start writing from there. So
Yeah.
few tips help me. I shared 2 3 tips with you. uh,
Nice. So here you are basically from hardware
Engineering, yes.
engineer. So how did you got interest into digital marketing, or are you sharing anything regarding in your blog regarding to hardware and networking?
Yeah, actually, when I yes, good question. This when I learned this computer hardware, I learned
Mm,
this in my degree first year,
okay.
and in degree second year I was working. I was working in a company as a
Oh,
service engineer, as a desktop
mhm,
support engineer.
mhm,
And when I was studying, when I was working, I realized that this UG itself, it's not enough for career growth,
yeah,
and I should pursue my higher education. At that time I felt, and that is where I decided to learn. I decided to pursue my MBA, and that is how I figured out Vanguard Business School, and I did there. But for hardware engineers, let me share. So I keep answering many questions on Quora regarding this computer hardware. Uh, yeah, you can check my Quora profile also.
yeah,
As I told in the beginning itself, I told that I'm a professional video editor as well. So I
okay.
keep answering on video editing topic, and computer hardware. And
Okay.
so I am the, I think, most viewed writer also on video editing topic in Quora. That
Nice.
is
Yeah.
globally. And so how I used uh, my computer hardware knowledge in blogging.
Mm,
Initially I was hesitating to write blog posts, big blog posts. So when
mm,
I started, because I know computer hardware, I
okay.
picked computer hardware topic questions, and I started answering those questions. So
Okay.
that is how writing became habit for me.
Started. Oh,
So then I slowly started answering long answers
mm,
also.
okay.
At that time I felt that confident, and I started writing English blog posts. So that is how
Oh,
I used Quora for myself.
okay.
Even today I help bloggers also. They keep asking
Oh,
which configuration is, which laptop
oh,
is good for blogging and digital
mm,
marketing purpose. I
mm,
keep helping them. And
mm,
my blog also, digital
mm,
marketing was the fourth topic or fourth niche when I started my blogging.
okay.
Initially I wrote 2 articles on computer hardware itself. um,
Okay.
again I deleted those articles because again I started on video editing.
Okay.
Again I deleted that article. Again I started on graphic designing.
Okay.
Again I deleted that article.
Okay.
And again I started. Why can't I demonstrate my skills, my digital marketing knowledge on through blog? That is where I that was my fourth niche on digital
Nice.
marketing.
Nice. Nice
Edition.
to know. Okay. So
But
your
you can find those computer hardware related articles in my LinkedIn profile. If you go to my
okay.
profile, you check my activity or see my articles. There you can find 2 articles. And computer hardware article on video editing, I wrote 1 article. You can find that article in the my blog as well
Sure,
now.
sure. We will share in our channel. And your website is Telugu channel or English?
See, I have 2 blogs as well. See, one
Mm.
is in Telugu and one is in English. My
Mm.
focus is more on Telugu.
Okay. Okay. So Digital Buddy is your website.
Yes, Digital Buddy is my website.
Okay. Nice.
See, even Digital Buddy also, I started to teach digital marketing, which is the best way to learn digital marketing is to teach. Okay.
Yeah.
Even Digital Deepak sir also tells that best way to learn digital marketing is when you teach. Okay. So I wanted to teach professionally, like building a brand on internet, because I know that how to buy a domain, how to build a branding on internet. I started that for my practicing purpose itself. Again,
Okay.
if I teach, I learn better.
Yeah, yeah. Practical.
Okay. Yes.
Nice.
That is
Can you
all.
share some tips to our interns and digital marketers on digital
Okay.
marketing?
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you are, I highly recommend you to start your personal blog. That is on self-hosted WordPress blog. If you are not interested or if you are not comfortable with WordPress, I highly recommend you to build your personal brand with at least in LinkedIn. At least through LinkedIn also you can build your personal branding by writing articles and by sharing content on your niche, and by having a uh, professional profile actually, by having professional photo shoot, have good photo shoot. And you can, yeah, just with the LinkedIn also you can build. If you're not comfortable with the self-hosted WordPress blog, that is one tip. And second tip I am giving, if you want to start a digital marketing career, I highly recommend you to pursue these internships. At least 1 or 2 internships you need. And internships are easy to get because it, for companies also, it won't cost much to hire, even for the paid interns or free interns as well. So I highly recommend you to have this so I have to do internship before going as a fresher in digital marketing.
Okay.
And these are the tips from my end. And I also recommend you to don't stop learning. Okay. This is not the end. After internship, you can't feel that I know complete digital marketing and let me start my job. So even after job also, you have to start you have to learn digital marketing skills, and you have to upskill yourself. Best sources for upskilling is, I recommend you to read books in digital marketing itself, digital marketing and psychology also, if you need. And other best sources are the online courses from the good instructors. These are the best resources I can say.
Okay. Is digital marketing is helpful for college freshers who finished their graduation recently?
Yes, okay, digital marketing helps, again, as I said, digital marketing helps them to demonstrate their skills through blog or through Quora profile or through LinkedIn. They can use just one social media platform to demonstrate their skills to the recruiter, and they can showcase their skills. That is how they can use for career purpose. And I see that many students are blogging, started blogging, not as a self-hosted WordPress blog, but they are doing blogging in the free blogging platforms like blogger.com, blogspot, or wordpress.com also they are doing. And I see that international school students, in the schooling itself, they started blogging to demonstrate their skills, to improve their writing skills. That is the practicing happening in the international schools as well. Why don't these degree students or digital marketers start their own blog?
But in students who are living in remote areas, they don't have access to internet. For them, it is very difficult to learn digital marketing. So for them, how it will help?
Yes, I see many people asking this question as well. Uh, the- yes, they can learn digital marketing through their smartphone also to some extent. But if they want to implement and learn practically, they need laptop or a desktop. Laptop is little expensive if you compare with desktop. If you can't afford laptop, I recommend you to go with the desktop itself. You can you'll get a decent first hand new desktop around 15,000 rupees also. Invest in that, and you can buy. You already you have smartphone and you have Jio internet connection. By that hotspot also you can access internet and you can learn digital marketing. You don't need a wired internet connection also, but you have to use that 1 GB or 2 GB data frugally and wisely, because you can't you can't watch TikTok videos or YouTube videos, and you can't waste your GB, because you know that value of that 2 GB, or you can have two SIMs or something like that, and you can now it is accessible now.
Okay. So they have to use internet. It is
Yes,
mandatory.
they need.
Yeah.
Even let me share my experience also. When I was
Yeah.
learning computer hardware engineer, my friend he suggested me to you, John, you need to have a desktop to practice, practice from your end as well. At that time, I loan actually from one person 15,000, and I purchased my desktop. So education is the best investment. Invest in your good desktop and improve yourself. You don't need a very good college or those kind of reputed institutes also, because now you have more than 5 lakh online courses on internet. You can pursue your career in a graphic designing or any kind of thing based on your interest. You have online courses on every niche actually now.
Yeah.
And
Thank you so much for being here, sir. So I feel very glad to meet you in this video like this. And shall we wrap the weekend meeting?
And thank you, Rupa, for interviewing me as well. And for your audience also, they can reach me on WhatsApp or email as well.
Sure. I'll share the links in my channel.
Yeah, you can share my contact links, or you can give just my LinkedIn profile also.
Sure.
That is good enough for them to approach me on LinkedIn.
Sure.
So
Thanks. Thank you a lot.
thank you. Yeah.